I think you'll agree that my job really is one of the best jobs in the world. I get to see the most beautiful houses in all of Marbella. And today, well, this is one of the most beautiful houses I've ever seen. It's 9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, but do you know what? I just want to show you. Follow me. So immediately when you walk through these grand wooden doors, you see this high vaulted ceilings and of course this stunning fountain. Can you imagine the rest of the house? Come on, let me show you. It's at over 1,870 square meters. This 9-bedroom, 9-bathroom family home, and it really is, set in the heart of Sierra Blanca, very close to Marbella, features such things as underfloor heating, a lift to all the floors. It's not often I get so impressed with the garden, but I think you'll agree, this 4,400 square meter flat plot with mature gardens, it has fruit trees and so forth, features one thing that you just can't buy. Listen. That's right, silence and peace. It also has this stunning dark tiled swimming pool, which is heated. It has salt water. But when we look back at this beautiful house, all we see is the stunning and iconic mountain of La Concha. So here we have the impressive garage, enough for 5 buses. But seriously, if you have 5, 10, even 11 cars, look at the size of this space. It's like a car showroom. You can break this wall through if you don't, and maybe you want to put a cinema or an indoor pool. Let the mind wander. Wow. As you can see, all of the bedrooms lead to this stunning south-facing huge terrace with amazing sea views and even a rear terrace that overlooks the iconic mountain. Now, if you want to enjoy more of this villa, make sure to click the link below. And if you want to see what this looks like at nighttime, check this out.